Welcome to today's tutorial on while. If you want speed and accuracy in PD reading, you must know these quick tricks. Rule number one, if you see an ing word after the blank, the answer is usually while. अगर आप blank के बाद ing word देखते हैं तो simply while use करिए. Let's look at this example. The new policy aims to reduce traffic congestion dash promoting the use of public transport. Here we see the word promoting, that's an ing form, so the correct answer is while. Now let's also check with elimination method. Whereas is an option, and we know that whereas shows the contrast, but here in this sentence there is no contrast, so whereas has to be eliminated. Because is the next option that gives the because gives a reason, but the sentence is not about the reason. Next is until. Until talks about time limit, and again it doesn't fit. So the last option left with us is while, and that is fitting accurately. Again, look at the blank which is highlighted in yellow. After it, we have the word ensuring, NING form. That means what are we going to choose? That is while. Next one is the researcher conducted surveys dash simultaneously reviewing past literature. Look carefully after the blank we see simultaneously reviewing, which is again an ing word. According to our rule, ing form, the best option is while. Now here's a twist. The answer of this blank is while, but there is no ing word after the blank. Then why the answer is while? Many may ask that when is also suitable in this sentence. Look at this sentence. The findings suggested that productivity increased when employees were given flexible work hours. But when is wrong here? Before I explain why is when wrong here, I would like to tell you why while is correct here. Here, the blank is followed by employees were given flexible work hours. That's a full clause. Full clause means that's a sentence that is not an ing form. So, in this case, while means during the time that. It shows productivity was rising over the duration as employees had flexible work hours. यहाँ while का मतलब है उस पूरे समय के दौरान जब employees को flexible hours दिए गए, यानी कि फ्लेक्सिबल आवर्स कुछ समय तक चलते रहे, उस ड्यूरेशन के लिए हमने while यूज किया है. See the video till end if you want to understand it fully. Now read the second sentence I've explained first already. Productivity increased when employees were given flexible hours. Here, when points to a specific time or event. यहाँ when किसी एक specific time या event की और इशारा कर रहा है, मतलब productivity तभी बढ़ी जैसे ही employees को flexible hours दिए गए. That जैसे ही is when, not while. Before I go ahead, I just want to say that some of my students used Exam Dojo and their mock scores matched the real PT exam. That's why I can say with trust that you can track your performance with full trust and credibility. And just to be clear, this is not a promotion. I am only sharing it because my students had a genuinely good experience with Exam Dojo. Students improved their performance dash they had access to online practice tools. यहाँ एक्सेस का मतलब है स्टूडेंट्स को लगातार प्रैक्टिस टूल्स अवेलेबल थे. यानी ये कोई एक बार का इवेंट नहीं है, बल्कि एक कॉन्टिन्यूस कंडीशन है. तो आंसर आएगा वाइल. स्टूडेंट्स क्लैप्ड डैश द प्रोफेसर एंटर्ड द लेक्चर हॉल. अब यहाँ एंटर्ड एक वन मोमेंट एक्शन है. प्रोफेसर जैसे ही हॉल में आया, स्टूडेंट्स ने क्लैप किया, इसलिए यहाँ हम व्हेन का यूज करेंगे ना कि वाइल का. सो द करेक्ट सेंटेंस इज स्टूडेंट्स क्लैप्ड व्हेन द प्रोफेसर एंटर्ड द लेक्चर हॉल मींस स्टूडेंट्स ने क्लैप उसी टाइम करा जिस टाइम प्रोफेसर अंदर आया. दैट इज वन मोमेंट एक्शन. The company maintained profitability dash the economy was unstable. Now look carefully, the economy was unstable is not one single moment. It lasted for a period of time. That's why we use while here. Now this is your time to solve this, and if this trick is helping you understand better, make sure to hit the like button, share this with your friends who are preparing, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick PT grammar tips.